2m over m minus 1 plus m minus 5 over m squared minus 1 is equal to 1. Kunin natin yung factor dito. Yung factor niya m plus 1 saka m minus 1. Kunin natin yung LCD. LCD niya m minus 1 saka m plus 1. This, ano natin to, cancel. M minus 1. Matitira na lang 2m times m plus 1. Cancel natin itong dalawa. Matitira na lang m minus 5 equals times natin itong dalawa. M plus 1 times m minus 1. Distribute 2m. 2m times m magiging 2m squared. 2m times 1 magiging 2m. Bring down m minus 5 equals m times m magiging m squared. M times negative 1 magiging negative m. 1 times m magiging m. 1 times negative 1 magiging negative 1. Applying ATE. Lipat natin sa kabila. Magiging 2m squared minus m squared plus 2m plus m minus 5 plus 1 equals 0. Pagsamahin natin yung like term. 2m squared minus m squared magiging m squared. 2m plus m magiging 3m. Negative 5 plus 1 magiging negative 4 equals 0. Factor natin to, m plus 1 saka m minus 1 equals 0. Equate natin sila para sa 0. M plus 4 equals 0 saka m minus 1 equals 0. Ano natin, lipat natin sa kabila yung 4. Magiging m equals negative 4 saka m equals 1.
We are going to solve this equation with a given 5k over k plus 2 plus the quantity 2 over k equals 5. We need to find the LCD first. The LCD is k plus 2 times the quantity k. Multiply both sides by the LCD, we get 5k times k plus 2 times the quantity k plus 2 equals 5 times k plus 2. Perform the indicated operation here. So we get 5k squared plus 2k plus 4 equals 5 times the quantity k squared plus 2k. Distribute 5. So we get 5k squared plus 2k plus 4 equals 5k squared plus 10k. Equate the given expression into 0. So we get 5k squared minus 5k squared plus 2k minus 10k plus 4 equals 0. So we get negative 8k plus 4 equals 0. To eliminate the coefficient of k, divide both sides by the negative 8. So it will be negative 8k over negative 8 equals negative 4 over negative 8. So we get the value of k here, which is 1/2. To check if 1/2 is a solution, we need to substitute it to the given. So 5 times 1/2 all over 1/2 plus 2 plus 2 all over 1/2 equals 5. So we got 5 over 2 all over 5 over 2 plus 4 over 1 equals 5. So 1 plus 4 equals 5. Therefore, 5 is a solution of the given. 5k over k plus 2 plus 2 over k equals 5.
Given is number 3. Binigay sa akin, sir. 4x over 3x minus 2 plus 2x over 3x plus 2 is equal to 2. So, get the LCD or least common denominator. So, since na, ayan, magiging factor nito, ayan. Multiply both sides by 3x minus 2, 3x plus 2. Yan, yan na, di ba? Yan. Distribute. May makakancel kasi ito, magkaparehas. Cancel. 3x plus 2 times 4x is equal to 4x times 3x plus 2 plus cancel 3x minus 2 plus 2. Yan, 2x over quantity 3x minus 2 is equal to 2. Distribute lang yan. Ay, bali ayun magiging sagot. Kapag na distribute mo yan, ito magiging sagot to. 9x squared plus 0 minus 4. So, ginawa ko na siyang geto kasi wala nang 0 na yon. So, distribute ko tong 4x times 3x is equal to 12x squared plus 4x times 2 is equal to 8x plus 2x times 3x is equal to 6x squared minus 2x times negative 2 is equal to 4x is equal to 2 quantity of 9x squared minus 4. So, ito, i-ano mo na to, distribute mo na yan, bali magiging 18x squared times 8. Tapos copy na lang to. Pagsamahin ng like term, Ito, like term. 12x squared plus 6x squared, bali, ayan na. Tapos, 8x minus 4. Tapos ito, bring down 8. Bali, APE, nilipat ko na agad para hindi ako malito. Tapos, 12x plus 6x squared is equal to 18x squared minus 18x squared is equal to 0. 0 na yan, cancel na yan. Tapos, 8x minus 4 equals to 4 plus 8, ayan na, is equal to 0. 4x plus 8 equal to 0. Gawin mo APE. Lipat mo, mag-transpose mo. 4x is equal to negative 8. Divide both sides by 4. 4. Cancel, cancel. X is equal to negative 2. That's all. Thank you.
We are going to find the value of C in this rational equation. The rational equation, negative 4 over C plus 5 over C cubed plus 5C squared is equals to 1 over C squared. First, we are going to find their LCD. In this equation, their LCD might be this one. So, we will be rewriting again the equation. Negative 4 over C plus 5 plus 5 over C cubed plus 5C squared is equals to 1 over C squared. Then, their LCD. Their LCD is C cubed plus 5C squared, C cubed plus 5C squared. To find the factors that we are going to evaluate, we are going to cancel the denominators. First, negative 4 multiplied by C cubed plus 5C squared over C plus 5 plus 5 multiplied by C cubed plus 5C squared over C cubed plus 5C squared is equals to 1 over C squared multiplied by C cubed plus 5C squared. Then, the factors will be negative 4 multiplied by C squared plus cancel, 5 is equals to 1 multiplied by C plus 5. Then, we are going to distribute the following numbers. Negative 4 multiplied by C squared is equals to negative 4 C squared plus 5 is equals to 1 multiplied by C plus 5 is equals to C plus 5. Then, we are going to use the addition property of inequality to move 5 to the other side. We're going to add negative 5, the opposite of positive 5, and also here negative 5. Then cancel. Negative 4C squared is equals to C plus 5 minus 5 is equals to C only. C. Then we're going to isolate C squared to find the value of C. To find that, we're going to use the multiplication property of equality. Then we're going to divide it by negative 4C. Also here, negative 4C. The value would be negative 1/4 because it is 1C over negative 4C. The denominator should not be negative. So, we're going to move the negative sign to negative 1. So, C is equals to negative 1/4.
Good day, Sir James. I'm here in front of you to solve a rational equation. So here is my example. 3x squared plus 6x over x plus 2 is equals to x squared plus 9x over x minus 3. So I will simplify the first equation by factoring it. So it will become 3x times the quantity x plus 2. After we factor, I will cancel the same term. And then after I cancel, I will cross multiply it. So it will become 3x times the quantity x minus 3 is equals to x squared plus 9x. After we cross multiply, I will distribute it. So it will become 3x squared minus 9x is equals to x squared plus 9x. So after we distribute, I will combine like terms. So it will become 3x squared minus x squared minus 9x is equals to 0. So it will become 2x minus 18x is equals to 0. And then I will use the APE method to remove this negative sign. So it will become 2x is equals to 18x. I will divide it both side by 2x, so it will become negative 9. The answer is 9. X is equals to 9.
Ngayon, meron tayong sasagutan. So, meron akong equation na may ipapasagot sa inyo, then we will answer that. So, sino may gusto? Yes? Mama, oh! Okay. Ma'am, okay. So, can you solve this? Please. So, ganito ko nakuha. Ito yung given. J plus 5 over j squared plus j equals 1 over j squared plus j minus 6 j plus 1. So, ito, ifa-factor ko tong dalawa. So, magiging j times j plus 1. And then, bring down, sinubstitute ko na sila. Then, gumawa ako ng brackets. Then, linagay ko dito yung both na LCD nila. Then, kinancel out ko this. Kaya naging j plus 5 is equals to 1 minus j times j minus 6 is because eto, bringing down ko lang to. Then, eto, may natira pa siyang j, diba? So, magiging j times j minus 6. Then, j plus 5 is equals to 1 minus j squared plus 6j dahil minultiply ko to. Ito, dyan. Then, ayun na. Transpose ko na siya. So, naging j plus 5 minus 1 plus j squared minus 6j. Then, yung same terms, pinagsama-sama ko. And, naging j squared minus 5j plus 4 siya. Kita na ba? And then, finactor ko sila and ito yung result. J minus 4 times j minus 1. And then, gagawin ko siyang is equals, so magiging j is equals to 4 and j is equals to 4.
Good day everyone, I am Leslie Panayo o Arancel and I am here to discuss about this equation, which is 2 over x minus 3 plus 5 over x minus 2 equals to 7x minus 19 over x squared minus 5x plus 6. First, I factor out the denominator, which is x squared minus 5x plus 6. And I got the quantity of x minus 3 and the quantity of x minus 2. After that, I multiply both sides by x minus 3 and x minus 2. I cancel the x minus 3 and the x minus 2 in the quantity of x squared minus 5x plus 6. And I got 2 times the quantity of x minus 2 plus 5 times the quantity of x minus 3 equals to 7x minus 19. I combine the like terms and I got 7x minus 19 equals to 7x minus 19. I use the APE method so that I transpose the 7x minus 19 to the other side. And I got 7x minus 19 minus 7x plus 19. I cancel out the 7x and the negative 7x and the negative 19 and the 19. And the final answer is 0.
The given equation is 4 all over x plus 2 plus 5 all over x minus 2 equals to 29 all over x squared minus 4. To get the answer, you need to factor out the x squared minus 4. It is x plus 2, x minus 2. Then get the LCD.
which is x plus 2, x minus 2. Cancel these two because they are like terms, then multiply the 4 to x minus 2. Cancel again, and multiply the 5 to x plus 2. Then again, cancel these, and bring down the 29. Distribute the equation. 4 times x equals to 4x. 4 times negative 2 equals to negative 8. 5 times x equals to 5x. And 5 times 2 equals to 10. Bring down again the 29. Simplify it further by combining the like terms. 4x plus 5x equals to 9x. Negative 8 plus 10 equals to 2. Then bring down the 29. Transpose the 2 to the other side, then it will get negative 2. 29 minus 2 equals to 27. So we have 9x equals to 27. Divide the both side by 9, and this side will be cancelled. And 27 divide 9 equals to 3. The answer is x equals to 3.
Binigay mo po sa aking problem ay number 10. Ang equation po dito ay 7 over x plus 2 minus 4 over x minus 3 is equals to negative 14 over x squared minus 6 minus x minus 6. Una pong gagawin, nahanapin mo yung factor ng x squared minus x minus 6. Ang factor po nito ay x plus 2 at saka x minus 3. Sulat mo po sa gilid kasi yun yung LCD. Tapos dito, ika-cancel mo yung x plus 2 sa labas at saka x plus 2 dito sa loob para madaling ma-times. Edi x minus 3 times 7, alalabasan ay 7x minus 21. Tapos ganun din dito sa 4 over x minus 3. Ika-cancel mo yung x minus 3 at x minus 3 dito. Tapos ipagta-times mo yung x plus 2 at saka 4. Ang kalalabasan ay 4x minus 8. Tapos dito naman, dahil ang factor ng x squared minus x minus 6 ay itong x plus 2 at saka x minus 3. Ika-cancel mo na sila. So ang matitira ay negative 14. Yun. Tapos, 7x minus 21 minus 4x minus 8 plus 14. Kasi, ililipat mo yung negative 14 dito sa loob. Tapos, yun na. 7x minus 21 minus 4x minus 8 plus 14. Gagawin mo, i-add mo ang 7x at saka negative 4x. Ang kalalabasan ay 3x. Tapos, equals to negative 21 minus 8 plus 14. Ang kalalabasan ay negative 15. Tapos, ililipat mo yung negative 15 sa labas. So, 3x is equals to negative 15. Tapos, is equals to positive 15. Maglalagay ka ng 3 sa baba para ma-cancel sila at x na lang matira. Kaya ang kalalabasan ay 15 over 3 or 5.
From ABM-A2. At nandito ko para isolve itong given na ito. X over x minus 1 plus t over x is equal to 5 over 2x. Ang natin gagawin para masolve ang equation na ito ay kunin ang LCD. Ang LCD ay 2x and x minus 1. Ita-cancel natin ang mga LCD. At i-distribute ito sa numerator. 2x and 2x times x plus 6 times the quantity of x minus 1 is equals to 5 times the quantity of x minus 1. 2x times x is equal to 2x squared. 6x. 6 times x is equals to 6x. 6 times negative 1 is equals to negative 6. 5 times x is equals to 5. 5x. 5 times negative 1 is equals to negative 5. Using APE, ililipat natin ang mga kaparehas na like terms. 2x squared plus 6x minus 5x minus 6 plus 5. 2x squared, 6x minus 5x is equals to x. Negative 6 plus 5 is equals to negative 1. Ito-factor natin ang trinomial na 2x squared plus x minus 1 equals 0. Factor nito ay 2x minus 1 and x plus 1. I-equate natin siya sa 0. 2
2x minus 1 is equals to 0, and x minus plus 1 is equals to 0. May 2x, kaya lalagyan natin siya ng 2 kanyang denominator. 2 rin sa kanyang denominator. Dahil para sila, ika-cancel. Ang magiging sagot ay x is equals to 1 over 2. Ito naman, lilipat natin siya at magiging x is equals to negative 1. Ang magiging sagot ng equation na ito ay x is equals to 1 over 2 and x is equals to negative 1. And that's it. Thank you for listening.
Hi, I'm Mary Antueno from ABM-A2. My report is all about equation of method. The given problem is x over x plus 1 is equal 5 over 2x minus 2 minus 1 is over 2. The given x over x plus 1 is equals 5 over 2x minus 1 minus 1 is over 2. I find the LCD 2x minus 1 x plus 1 x over x plus 1 is over 5 over 2x minus 1 is equals 1 is over 2. Then 2x minus 1 x plus 4. The next step, the answer is 2x minus 1 x is equals 5 x plus 1 minus 1 x minus 1 x plus 1. The next step is 2x squared minus x 5x plus 5 minus x squared minus 1. The answer is 2x squared plus x squared minus 1 x minus 5 x minus 5 plus 1 is equals 0. The answer is 3x squared minus 6 x minus 4 is equals 0. The formula is ax squared minus bx minus c is equals 0. A minus 3, then b minus negative 6, c is minus negative 4. Then the answer is x equals negative b, positive negative b squared minus 4 ac. 1 over 2a. X equals minus negative 6, positive negative 6 squared minus 4. 4 times 3, 12. Times 4, 48. 6 times 6, 36. 4 times 3, 12. Times 4, 48. Over 6. 36 plus 48 is equals 84. Over 6. Find the number 84. The only one number is perfect square. The all answer is x equals 6 plus 2 addition 21 all over 6, or x is equal 6 minus 2 addition 21 is over 6. That's all. Thank you.
The equation that was given to me was x plus 3 over x plus 2 is equal to 1 minus x plus 1 over x plus 2. So first, we should change 1 into x plus 2 over x plus 2. Because it is also equal to 1, and so that we can simplify the equation easily. To simplify it, we need to get the LCD of x plus 3 over x plus 2 is equal to x plus 2 over x plus 2 is minus x plus 1 over x plus 2. Since they have the same denominator, which is x plus 2, we can cancel them easily. There. So we only now have x plus 3 is equal to x plus 2 minus the quantity of x plus 1. Before we proceed, please take note that the negative sign here should be distributed into x plus 1. There. After that, you only have x plus 3 is equal to x plus 2 minus x minus 1. So, we can simplify it by cancelling the two x's here because they have the different signs, and we will arrive at x plus 3 is equal to 1. By using addition property of equality, we can get x is equal to 1 minus 3, and lastly, our answer will be x is equal to negative 2.
Hi, my name is Rosemary P. Bagate from ABM-A2. This is my given. Given ay 4x over x plus 1 plus x plus 5 over x plus 1 equal 3. Use the bracket.
Ba't hindi ka nag-aaral?
Kunin ang less denominator. Ilagay sa gilid at i-cancel ang denominator sa baba. 4x plus x plus 5 equal 3x plus 3. Kaya, yan nakuha ang tx ay dahil ang 3x ay minultiply sa x plus 1 kaya naging 3x. At ang 4 plus x plus 5, ang value ng x ay 1 kaya pinag-add ang 4x at 1 kaya 5x ang 5 ay ibababa equal pati ang 3x plus 3. Copy the 5x at palitan ng sign. Transpose ang 5 at 3x at palitan ng sign, ng negative. Kaya 3, kaya naging 2x. Naging 2x kasi ang 5x at 3x ay naging minus 2 times equals 2. Hanapin ang pwedeng i-divide sa kanilang dalawa. Equal, cancellation, divide, negative 2, divide 2. Ang answer is x minus 1.
Good morning. My name is Patricia TIP-SHS-SH11-ABM-A2 and I'm here today to solve this equation. X plus 3 over x plus 2 equals to minus x plus 1 over x plus 2. So, diba the same naman yung denominator niya. So, ika-cancel na lang natin. X plus cancel. And then ito, ita-times natin dito. So, bring down. X plus 3 equals 2 times x plus 2 minus x plus 1. So, ang gagawin natin, ita-times to. So, dito. So, 2 times x equals 2x plus 2 times 2 equals 4. So, bring down ulit to. Minus x plus 1. Then, pagkatapos nyan, combine like terms. So, baba natin tong x plus 1 dito. Yan. Minus. Then, 4 minus 1 equals 3. Copy yung sign. 2 minus x, diba? Diba may invisible 1 dito. So, 2 minus 1 equals 1x. So, hindi naman siya necessary na ilagay yung 1 dito. So, ganyan ang kalalabasan. So, eto ulit, baba. Plus 3. So, ATE. ATE natin yung dalawa. So,
magiging x minus x equals 3 minus 3. So, x minus x equals 0. 3 minus 3 equals 0. So, the answer is 0.